there, Sue here from Sue's Dog Life Kitchen, and I would just like to show you how to make turmeric latte, which is basically turmeric warmed up. Okay, so we're calling it a turmeric latte today because we're actually going to pour it into these nice little latte glasses. Okay, so what you need is a little saucepan, your glasses, some milk. I'm using organic semi-skimmed. I would use full fat organic milk, but they didn't have any left. So I got the next best thing, which was the semi-skimmed, but at least it's organic. And then I've got organic molasses as well, which I'm going to sweeten it with. You can sweeten it with honey or sugar or whatever you want, but I'm trying to keep mine mostly organic. And also I have my organic turmeric powder as well. So organic milk, organic molasses and organic turmeric powder. So the last thing you want to do, just to tell you, is to do this in the microwave, because if you do this in the microwave you will kill off all of the goodness in it. So do not do this in the microwave. I'm just telling you, do not do this in the microwave because you will kill the goodness that you're trying to take. Right, I wrote down a few details the other day of the benefits of turmeric. Okay, so just so you know, the benefits of turmeric are as follows. It has antioxidants in it. It's good for inflammation and joint pain. It's good for memory function for your brain. It's also got curcumin in turmeric, which improves your mood. Yoo-hoo! We all need that right now. It's good for heart disease, lowers blood sugar levels, supposedly good for cancer, has antibacterial and antiviral properties in it, antifungus as well. Okay, so if you don't know nothing about the benefits of turmeric, I would advise you to go and look it up yourself. I am not a doctor or physician or anything like that. This is my own personal experience from me doing my own personal research. You need to go and do your research yourself to come to your conclusions, okay? I'm just advising you that I know that this is good for me and my partner. Whether it's good for you is up to you, but I'm just telling you that I love this. Okay, so all I'm here doing today is to show you how to actually make it and make up your own mind whether you think it's good for you. Okay, so what I have here is just two nice little glasses and some lovely organic milk. So I'm just going to open all the organic milk. It's brand new, I haven't used it yet. Oh, if I can get the plastic off. And I'm just going to measure it in the actual glass rather than get a measuring jug out. So obviously you're going to have to use about, I would say, that much, okay? So you don't want to have it too much because remember, it will, you don't want to spill it over the top. So 2 glasses that size, put into your saucepan, okay? Just like so, okay? So there we are, 2 glasses, roughly the same size. And then what you want to do is you want to warm the milk on your cooker, okay, not in the microwave. Remember what I just said, do not use a microwave because microwaves kill any goodness in the food, okay? So all food, if you microwave it, it kills off all the goodness inside it. So try and avoid microwaving your food as much as possible if you want to keep any goodness inside it. There's no point in using organic ingredients and then you go and blitz it with some microwaves, okay? So I'm just telling you, just so you know. So I've got a little whisk here and we're going to whisk in the turmeric powder, which we're only going to use a small amount, which is going to be like half a teaspoon to a teaspoon, okay? And you're going to put it directly in the milk, not in these glasses, okay? So you want to wait until the milk is warm and then put half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of turmeric powder If you don't like the taste of turmeric powder, you can add things to it like ginger to sort of mask the flavour of the turmeric. Or you can add honey to it if you like. I'm adding molasses because it's a natural sweetener, and it will give it like a brownie colour as well, but it's not very sweet, and I don't have a very sweet tooth, as I keep saying, and I love the smell of it. It's got like a licorice smell. It smells amazing and tastes like licorice. If you don't like licorice, you probably wouldn't like molasses, okay? But then I say, if you want to sweeten it, make sure you use an organic honey. Try and get organic ingredients as much as you possibly can, because obviously there's no chemicals being used in the process. Well, less chemicals, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Go and look it up yourself. If you have things organic, you'll understand what I'm saying. If you don't have things organic, you might want to consider using a few organic ingredients for things, especially something like this. I would try and keep it organic if you possibly can. If you can't, buy organic. This you can buy online. This is buy whole food online. .co.uk. So there you go. You can just buy it online. So if you can't buy it in the shop, just buy it online. Okay. Most of the things you can get these days are online. So there's no reason to not be able to get the ingredients. We buy this online as well. I think we bought 4 packs, 4 of these jars at a time. So, you know, and it lasts you for a long, long time. And you can use it in cakes and stuff instead of sugar. Obviously, it's going to have a brownie colour. But usually the licorice taste doesn't come out when you bake with it. Okay, just thought I'd tell you that. But obviously, if I'm doing this drink, I don't know if it's going to taste like licorice, actually. If it does, I'll be very happy. So what you want to do is just fluff up, because remember you're making a latte. So you're fluffing up the milk, basically. So you want to fluff it up by whisking. Okay, that fluffs up the milk and stops it sticking at the bottom. You don't want it to stick. And then add in your teaspoon or half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put a teaspoon, about that much. Because me and my partner are used to turmeric milk. But if you're not used to it, you might want to just start with half a teaspoon, working your way up to a teaspoon. Because it does have a distinctive flavour. And if you don't like the flavour, it might put you off and not want to have it again. You can give this to your children as well, by the way. It's a nice drink to go to bed with. So I'm doing a nice decent sized teaspoon of molasses. Just put it in there. It'll take a while to come off the spoon. Might need to help it with another spoon. Oh no, it's coming off. I just need it to come off the spoon and then I can whisk it. So this will give it a much more golden colour than it would be, because I'm using molasses. But if you use honey or something, it's not going to be as dark as what I'm making right now. And that's it. So give it a good whisk. You want to heat it up, but you don't really want to have it boiling. Just whisk it. Give it all the air. Which is basically what a latte is, an airy coffee. Frothy coffee. And this is frothy turmeric milk. And it stops it sticking to the bottom of the pan. So that's nearly done. So the benefits of turmeric are very vast, and you need to go and research turmeric if you're really interested in like doing things for your health and stuff. This is a really good alternative to coffee and to a nighttime drink or a daytime drink. You can drink it anytime. So I think that's done. I'm just going to taste it. See, I don't mind the taste of turmeric, and I like the taste of the molasses, which just gives it a sweet taste, but you can't really taste the licorice of the molasses. But it's really nice. You can add cinnamon to it. You can add whatever your favourite spice is, you know, like apple spice. Then cloves, you can put clove spice in it. So anything like that you can add to it. Or just add honey to it. So I hope whoever requested me to make the turmeric milk is happy now, because I was requested to make this. So I'm now pouring it into the glasses. And there's one. Okay. So it's a nice drink, really nice. Really, really, really nice actually. I love it. Just have it as an alternative to coffee. Try and get all the latte bit, all the bubbles, because that's what a latte is, isn't it? And there you are. So, oops. So there we have 2 turmeric coffees. Okay? Lattes, I should, not coffee. 2 turmeric lattes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was very, very short, but I just wanted to get this video out there as quickly as possible, because I think the benefits of this drink at this time will help a lot of people to feel good about themselves and to think that you're doing something healthy for your body. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. If you want me to tell you the ingredients in this again, if you can't follow my video, if I get enough people asking, I will put the ingredients in the bottom of the video, okay? As in the ratio of milk and what you need to make it with. It's very, 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 very simple. Takes a couple of minutes, as you've just seen. But one thing I must say is try and use the best ingredients you could possibly buy to make turmeric milk, okay? But even if you can't buy organic turmeric, just make it anyway, okay? Even if you have to just buy normal milk. You can use different alternative milks, by the way. I'm using cow's milk, but you could use goat's milk, sheep's milk, you could use almond milk, all of the milk alternatives to make this, okay? You don't have to use milk even, you can use alternative milks to make this. So you can make it vegan, you can make it vegetarian, you can make it whatever you want, okay? So I'm just telling you what I like. So this is what I like, organic milk with organic ingredients, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press that notification bells to get my new videos when I let them out. Every time I do a video, if you press my notification bell, you will be told. And also subscribe to my channel, and any comments for anything you would like me to make or anything that you would like me to go over again, just ask me in a comment. I will answer all the comments, okay? So please tell your friends and family about my video if anybody's interested in any of my videos. I did do an almond milk video which you could use to make the turmeric milk. Actually, use the almond milk that I made in a previous video. You could use that and then make this with it, okay? So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you look forward to watching my next video, which will be up soon. Okay then, so bye for now. Bye!